Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. I just wanted to show that the last couple of transactions are coming in for the month of May for our mining and staking for the PACcoin wallet. So it looks like two came in on the 14th, and my guess is there might be one more that's going to come in. Let me know if yours are already in or if they are in the process of coming in now. And we will be doing the redemption process very soon. Of course, May 31st is the deadline. So we need to get those in so we can get the most for our PACcoin. Again, we're just letting them sit until PAC decides to do what it wants to do. And we are changing our PACcoins into PAC Cash coins when we do the redemption. So anyway, let me know if yours have come in and are sitting waiting, or if you are sitting waiting for them to make it on in. Okay, but we still have time to do the redemption. So anyway, that's it for today, just nice and quick. All right, take care. Bye bye.